It is just about 9:30, and I'm getting ready to do my bike. It is just about 10 o'clock, and I got 2 of my rings done. The hardest one for me to close is the roll ring, but that's okay. Something is better than nothing. Now I can move on with the rest of my day. Good morning, happy Friday. Hey guys, so my mom said it's already starting to snow. And I am going to film that book review for the House of Gucci because I realized I was like, oh, I still need to do that. So I'm going to do that right now, and I will be back. So video is done, filmed, edited, and uploaded. I still don't know why my glasses have this glare, but whatever. I didn't have too much to say, so it was like short and sweet. What else was I gonna say? Oh, today we are officially 7 days away from season 2 of Sweet Magnolias dropping on Netflix. And honestly, I think I'm going to watch it, do like 1 episode a day, which I know that'll put me like behind, but like I don't want to be the person that like watches it right away, you know, I mean, watches it like right away and then forgets everything. And plus that show means a lot to me, so I'd rather just like enjoy it. But I think I'm gonna start tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna start it tomorrow in the snowstorm and then see how it goes. Well, actually, technically I should probably start it today because it's already snowing outside. But I'm gonna start it tomorrow and see how it goes. So we'll see. I'm super excited. I don't know if you can see it, but it's already snowing outside. I don't know, that's some person talking about the weather in the news. But my mom is making sure the snowblower is ready for tomorrow. So this is what it currently looks like at like just after noon on like noon 12 p.m. time on the 28th of January. There was like a little snowfall before, it's like still coming, but I don't think it matters. But like this is all covered, as you can see, the dog prints, but it's not really gonna start till like after midnight, I guess. But does anybody else love dog prints in the snow? I think they're so cute. Maddie, are you ready for the snow? You got your blanket, huh? You got this blanket, and then you got that blanket over there. You're nice and cozy. Yeah. You're nice and cozy, huh?
They do like that Sherpa blanket.
Oh, yeah. You're so sweet. You're ready. Say, I don't like to go out anymore, but I do when I have to, huh? So it is like 1:27 right now. I've been just watching some Queer Eye, but now I'm switching to YouTube. My mom is actually bringing home Subway for lunch, which I'm super excited. And my sister and the baby are coming here to hang out for a little while. So I'm gonna put the camera down for a little while, and I'll catch you guys later in the afternoon. Hey everyone, it is almost 5 o'clock. We just have the news on in the background to watch the weather. They're talking about like a blizzard warning for some parts of Connecticut and a winter storm warning for others. I'm not really sure where I fall in that, because I'm like right in the middle of everything. You know, if you go 20 minutes one way, you're here. If you go 20 minutes another way, you're over there. But anyway, quite the interesting afternoon. So my niece was here and my sister were just hanging out for a little bit, and I actually got on the floor. I was in my recliner here, and I did a transfer to the floor to play with her for a little bit, and then I did a transfer back up to the chair. And actually, I should do that more often because it's good to keep up those skills. You know, that's the same like if I were to fall, and then, you know, it's basically the same principle to do both ways. But she's a good little motivator, that one. I'm not, I'm not sure if there's too many people that I would transfer on the ground floor when my chair's comfy. But yeah. So with that, I'm just going to end the video here. And I will see you all tomorrow during the Blizzard vlog. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow.